Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Node.js LTS is installed because you need a runtime and NPM to manage packages. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the official JavaScript/TypeScript extensions so tooling works. Next, create a project folder, open it in Vscode, and add an index.js file. Make sure to initialize npm with npm init so you can add scripts. These are the first actionable steps that let you run and debug code immediately. Now you wire up execution and debugging. Add a start script and package. JSON like start, node index.js so npm start runs your file. Open the integrated terminal and run npm start to verify output. This avoids switching apps. Then create a basic launch. JSON via run and debug, right arrow create a node.js configuration so breakpoints work. Make sure source maps are respected if you transpile. These middle steps connect editing, running, and stepping through code seamlessly. Finish by installing helpful extensions like ESLint and Prettier for code quality, and Debugger for Chrome if you run front-end code. Once done, run your script and set breakpoints to confirm debugging works. If something fails, check node version and path, and ensure the correct workspace folder is open. Mismatched folders are a common cause. For quick diagnostics, use the problem's pane and the debug console to read errors and stack traces, so you can fix issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.